Week 9 is a culmination of everything that we've been doing for the first 8 weeks. And we finally get to style. And of course, the DQs have to do with repetition and sentence variety. And I thought that I would make a video and present it to you because I have been cautioning students for the last 10 years not to write as they speak. Because there are many things that we do when we speak and people can see us that we cannot express in writing. For example, you see I'm holding my hands up here, and if I were going to express that I talk with my hands in writing, I would have to make an addendum. But I decided to talk about sentence variety and repetition and rhythm and flow and actually speak about it because I wanted to make a point. In the main forum for DQ9, the week DQ sometimes we stutter when we talk that we don't do it when we're writing. But the DQs, again, have to do with those types of things. And in one of the DQs, I mentioned, I asked you a question about people who speak in monotones. When we listen to someone who talks like this and they talk like this for a long time, especially if the information is boring, we don't want to listen. It is the same thing with your writing. If you were going to write in a monotone, why are people going to want to read what it is that you write? Now, of course, in writing, you cannot reflect the inflections of your voice and even your facial expressions, so you do it through sentence variety, your vocabulary, that lack of repetition, you get my point. So that is one place where you can go against my injunction of not writing as you speak, because I'm quite sure that everyone in this class does not speak in a monotone all the time. So do not write in a monotone either. Always, always keep your audience in mind and look at what it is that you are writing through their perspective, not your perspective. And remember, they are not privy to your mind. And while you are writing, you might be speaking those words in a lively and expressive way, but unless you can convey that with the variety in your writing, your readers are not going to bother to read what it is that you have written. And in school, I read everything you write. But when you get out into the workplace and people are paying you to write, well, what else can I say? Because you know what will happen then.